How to unblock websites on Google Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to access blocked websites on your device quickly and easily. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. At this point, scroll down and look for blocked categories, like pop-ups, notifications, or JavaScript. In the next step, tap on the site you want to allow and change the permission to Allow. Once done, go back and try opening the website again to check if it's now accessible. From here, if the website is still blocked, let me show you another fix. Go back to Chrome settings and tap on Privacy and Security. At this point, scroll down and make sure you tap on Clear Browsing Data, and make sure cookies and site data and cached images and files are both checked. From there, set the time range to all time and tap on Clear Data. Then try opening the website again. And that's it. If this guide helped you unblock websites on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.